Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. In this video we have a question which says 2 brackets open 3 plus 3 divided by 3 brackets close. So this is what we know in PEMDAS as parentheses. So we are just going to go straight ahead and solve the ones in parentheses first. But we also know that division comes before addition. So we will take it 3 divided by 3 first. We get 1. Now 3 plus 1 gives us 4. Then now we have 2, which is already here, times 4. And our final answer can be boldly written as 8. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe and like. See you next time. Bye bye.